Hi there, my name is Darlan Pucci. My channel is Casa de Pucci. My channel is about charcuterie, and today I'm gonna make a Canadian bacon or back bacon. I'm gonna show you step by step. On the end I'm gonna cut and try. And on my channel I make videos in Portuguese and English. I try to make both. If you are not subscribed, consider it to subscribe. Canadian bacon coming up. Okay, in this pan I have 4 cups of water plus 4 cups of water in this container. I'm gonna keep this one in the fridge. I need to be very cold. And this one I'm gonna mix all the ingredients: salt, sugar, the regular herbs. I'm gonna make a little tea and bring to a boil and mix with the other 4 cups of water. And then I'm gonna immerse the loin, the pork loin, for the initial curing period in the fridge. That's the next step. I put it here. And I'm gonna left until it's almost boiling. And then I'm gonna mix with the other water and the other 4 cups that are in the freezer right now. All right, my tea is ready. 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water. Now I'm gonna mix together, and I'm gonna add my pork loin. Over here I have around 750 grams. Now I'm gonna leave in the fridge for 7 days, and after that we're gonna smoke it. Okay, I left in the fridge for 7 days, for 1 week. Now I'm gonna wash in running water, and I'm gonna place in the fridge on top of a rack to dry out, and tomorrow morning I'm going to smoke. Next step. Now I'm gonna stay in the fridge uncovered until tomorrow morning. I'm back. I left in the fridge for 12 hours. Now it's kinda tacky to the touch. That helps to absorb the smoking flavor. Now I'm going to place in the smoker. I'm back. I put the pork loin in my electric smoker, master build. The temperature, the smoker temperature is 170 Fahrenheit, and gonna stay here until the pork loin reaches the internal temperature 150 Fahrenheit. Gonna take 4-5 hours. That's the next step. The temperature reached 150 Fahrenheit. That's on the left side, 65 Celsius. Took 4 hours and is ready. Okay, now we're going to try our Canadian bacon, or high five, or back bacon. The color is nice, smells so good, smoking flavor is awesome. Well seasoning, you can feel the sweet and salt going on there. back bacon, Canadian bacon. Thank you for watching. I see you on my next video. It's too big, it's pepper. Tchau. Pedro Vanius, abraços, obrigado pela dica.